Hello everyone, in this video we'll see how to add a field to allow your signees to add any attachments or files while they are signing their document. So first of all, let's create a PDF. So upload a file from your system and then fill all the relevant details and click confirm. So now I've been redirected to the PDF editor. Towards the right, you will be able to see a lot of fillable fields, and as you scroll down, you will be able to see this new field called collect file. So just click and drag and drop the field, and this field will help your signees to upload their files, PDFs or images that they want to share it with you. So here we'll add a text and call it attachments. So now that we've added this field, we'll check this out. So I'm sending this mail. Since I added my own email, I have been asked to sign right away. So I'm clicking sign now. So I've been redirected to the signing screen. So when I click onto this field, I have this option to upload file from my system. So I'm clicking onto this and uploading a file, a random file from my system. So the file has been uploaded successfully. So this option is mainly useful when you want your signees to attach an image or a file or a form along with this document while they are signing it. So I hope this video would have been useful to you. Thank you.